Hi Sammy fam. Today we're going to be making a nice sub sandwich and it's going to be, I think, pretty good. I haven't made this before, but it's a bacon chicken ranch sub. So I'm starting here. Got my nice bread and I just had this cut open in the oven, kind of, face up like this on a rack at 170 degrees for like the past 10 minutes or so. See, not enough to like toast it up a lot, but just a nice crispiness. It's kind of what I wanted. So we got some, what is it, romaine here. Put some romaine down. We got the crunchy ends. I'll pair a crunchy end with the leafy top, and then a leafy top and a crunch. Actually, I'll put the crunchy end on the bottom. Yeah, I'll press it down in there. Is that enough? Do I want to put another? I'll put another set on here. Yeah. This will all be weighted down by the other ingredients, which will be, of course, our chicken. We got this spicy chicken that was marinated in hot sauce and some pickle juice and garlic. Oh, get back here, little buddy. Okay, that's probably good. And then we got green onions. I love me some green onions. I think this side's a little bit sparse. A little bit more. Like I said, I love me some green onions. And, of course, we got bacon. Get back here, buddy. I'm just losing things left and right. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting to. Come on, Daddy may have overstuffed you. Okay, and now of course our ranch. Some free marketing here for Hidden Valley Ranch. I mean, buy whatever. I don't care. I ain't got no sponsorship deal. Oh, guys. Look at this bad boy. Now that is a sandwich. I'm gonna just tuck you in. I'm gonna tuck you in so good, baby girl. So you can go night-night in my mouth. See this? Now I should probably actually cut this in half. That'll make it more manageable. And you guys will get a nice cross section. Okay, there we go. It's beautiful. It smells beautiful. Like crispy, fresh, point at the right thing. Crispy, fresh lettuce, spicy chicken. We got our ranch in here. We got our onion. We got our bacon. Oh, sweet Lord Jesus, thank you for taking me into heaven. Ooh, after all of my wrongs. This right has got me in those pearly gates. I'm in that mouse heaven right now. That's where I be. This is a sandwich, boys and girls. This is a king of sandwiches, a king of kings. I'm I'm really loving this fresh lettuce on here. It's so good. And it's such a nice, fresh, and crispy component to have with that hot and spicy chicken. And then when the ranch comes through, I was a little bit worried maybe I put too much on. No, I did not. No, I did not. Perfect amount. Oh, it's lovely. And a lightly crisp bread is the way to go. It makes it seem like oven fresh. It's beautiful. I got sweat in my eye. And it really stings. And earlier today, a bug flew into that eye too. And it happened about a week ago as well. And I never got either of them out, so are they just in there somewhere, dead and rotting inside my eye? Or my eyelid? I don't know. No, don't leave the sandwich, come back to me. And I'm sorry I'm so sweaty, guys. It's summer in Brooklyn here. It's pretty warm, it's pretty humid. I don't have air conditioning, and I have to close all my windows to record, so. And this is a hot, spicy sandwich. Here we go, part 2. Oh, this bad boy. This bad girl, whatever. I don't care. She may not be pretty, but she's good. And that's what counts. Oh, my mouth is just like lightly burning. It's not too hot. I mean, you can tell I've been getting sweatier through this video. That's in part due to the closed windows, but I'm sweating my eye again. Also the hot sauce, but it's not too much, you know. Oh, my eye burning. It's just the right amount. It's a nice slow burn on my lips and on my tongue. Just what you want. I should have shaved before this video. I look like a homeless person. No offense to homeless people, but I know it's hard to regularly shave. Little burpee right there. Well, thank you guys all for watching. Again, just take your chicken thighs. They're cheap. Put them in a baggie with a bunch of just garlic powder, hot sauce. Let it sit overnight, 24 hours. Have it on, if you watched my last video, make a broke boy chicken sandwich. That's delicious and cheesy and oniony. Or do this. Chop it up. Cook it up. Get some lettuce, romaine works. You could try butterhead if you chopped it up to fit a bun like that, or you could have it on a different type of bun if you wanted, whatever kind of bread. A little ranch dressing, bacon if you like bacon. Man, it's real good. It's real good. That's all I gotta say about that.